years ago, nung nainip ako na in-announce natin sa harap ng mga tita ko, mga autista at mga tita ko sa mga bilyas na magpapakasal tayo. Tapos yung reaction na lang, ay, salamat! Panaginip lang yun. It's God's way of guiding us to be right here this moment, where my last name dream joke got old, and it is now my reality. That I am now Mrs. Villas, your Mrs. Villas.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman
Especially if you last first name
iyo ako.
Sorry na lang ako, hindi ko kasalanan.
Palagi kung balikan man ang hirap luhan.
Not everything has been perfect. I'm sitting here because you were steady even when I wasn't. Because you loved me not only for all those long years in high school, but you also loved me in all of my moves. And sobrang dami nun, moves na yun. I don't vow to be perfect, but I vow to be real. I vow to choose you with intention on beautiful days and most of all on ordinary and difficult days.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
I'm ready to make those dreams into a reality.